Hi, my name is Güney. Came all the way from United States of America, Dallas, Texas. Yeah, I came here for beard transplant. I heard about this on Instagram. Came here, they briefed me about the whole procedure. Just got my beard. Started the operation immediately. It was a pretty straightforward process. These guys know what they're doing. They explained everything to me, the medications to take and everything. So pretty awesome place. Great staff, excellent professionalism and everything. I really recommend this place to anybody that wants to come in and do a hair transplant or beard transplant or whatever procedure they want to do. Thank you, Hair Center of Turkey.